2, 1, go! He's out of control! You're going to be okay, Santa!
Coming down! I'm okay.
Santa! That's what you brought Ricky! I can't wait to see what I'm getting! It was so great!
Well, it's too much for me. We'll just have to take it off.
No problem, Santa. I'll have them off you in a jiffy. Or we could take just one off.
I think I could handle one.
Then you could finish giving out those presents after all.
Christmas is saved and everybody is happy. Ricky, why aren't you happy?
If we break them apart, it would just be a single rocket booster. You could put it back together after, right, Maxwell?
No, I'm afraid not. Once I break the two apart, they're apart for good.
Yeah, great idea. One rocket makes total sense.
Auntie's gonna bring me a hat, a blue one. No, a red one. Maybe an orange one. Oh, I cannot wait.
It's our honour to light up the town for Wheelford's 100th anniversary. Now let's begin with the light show.
Oh no, we're too late. I should never have taken that light.
I give you Wheelford!
Oh, no!
Oh no, what? Where?
We have to do something. I've ruined the whole show.
Sorry, folks, we seem to be having some technical difficulties.
Oh, where did we go wrong?
Oh, you didn't. I took the light. I'm sorry.
But why?
I wanted it to be perfect for the show. It was boring and I wanted it to be amazing.
Oh, well, we can certainly understand that.
Code 54, no idling engines. Clear the square, folks, or we'll have to wait another 100 years for the next show.
Oh. Are you going to have to cancel the show?
Maybe not. Let's use Zoom Cam.
Zoom cam, go!
DJ, lift up the light.
Let's try this again. I give you Wheelford!
Do it, Zoom Cam.
Well, I guess sometimes making a mistake can turn out Zoom-tastic!
I'm ahead now, but not for long. See, Dasher, I'm winning. Dasher,
Gotta dash, little dude, cuz I almost forgot I have a race with Ashley Ace.
Ashley Ace, the speedster. Whoa, so cool. Let's go.
Sorry, Ricky, but in this kind of race, there's no third place. It's just Ashley and me.
Oh, I can't come.
We'll race later, though.
Okay.
See you later, guys.
I guess I'll just go to Toot's dance club then. Except it seems like they don't need me there. I'll just race myself to Windshield Point. Ricky versus Ricky! And it's Ricky in the lead, followed by Ricky. Ricky's catching up. I bet everyone else wishes they were here. This is so cool! Whoa! Whoa, yeah! Whoa! I'm okay, but how do I get out of here? Uh-oh! Grappling hook, go! Can't make it! I better call for help! Yes!
And Mum said I should listen to you, and I didn't.
Right! That's what I was gonna say.
And I'm really, really sorry. And whoa, have you seen how high this is?
I probably should have let you have more fun. I just wanted to keep you... Whoa! This is really high!
Yeah, I think I want to do the zigzag again. That bump was high enough. Yay, bump!
I don't think there's another way down. What if we do it together? I think I know how to make it safe and fun. Scootio, I need Zoom Cam to bring us something. Got it! Ready, Toot?
I am if you are.
Then get set, go! Whoa! Having fun now, Toot?
Way better in the zigzag.
Whoa! I don't believe it! Toot went on the ramp up! She's the bravest bike I ever saw!
That was so exciting! It was amazing! You guys have to try it. If you have a big brother to go down with you.
Yeah! I think I'm gonna do the ramp up too!
Loop, it's just us.
That's it! Come on, guys, we're catching up! Vroom! Steel Awesome would stay cool and calm, and so can we. Let's stick together this time and sneak up on him. Everybody, be as sneaky as you can.
I'm sorry. My tools rattle when I'm nervous.
My sound detector's picking up noises.
That's not me.
That could be a ghost bite.
No!
It's coming from over there.
We've got him this time. Stand back, guys. Steel even more awesome. We'll take care of this.
Show yourself, Ghost.
Hello, Ricky.
Officer Bunker? What are you doing here?
I'm on patrol.
Sorry if we scared you. We thought you were a ghost bike.
Ghost bike? Is that some kind of Wheeloween trick?
No, sir. He's out there stealing candy.
Stealing candy? But that calls for a police officer like me. And I'm a police officer like me. Now, stand back. Officer on patrol. Ghost patrol.
Have you seen Ricky?
I'm almost there.
What was that?
This is fun. Almost there. Way! Yay! Ricky! Hello. Oh.
There's Ricky!
And the bike sphere?
It had to get rolled here sooner or later, right? I guess I took care of that for you.
Well, that's great, Ricky, but we're not ready yet. We still need you and DJ to finish the job.
What is the job?
Oh, I tell you, flatten that huge pile of sand all around the lot with this big, heavy roller here. Woohoo!
It's a big job. It might take you all day.
We have a better idea.
Sorry I didn't help earlier, DJ, but we're doing a Zoom-tastic job now.
Smart kids. I wish I'd thought of that.
All right, the lot is ready.
Here she goes again.
Can I do something? I can help.
Ricky, can you wait over there with your friends? We've got this under control.
Staying out of the way. Some movie star I am.
Oh, there we go. Oh, thanks, Hank. Thanks, Helen. Even faster than last time. Oh, that'll probably be Blip. That boy's a chip off the old motorbike.
I hope this helped your movie. See you at home, kids.
OK, then. Back to my deliveries.
Watch out! There's a pothole!
Whoa. Whoa.
Mum! Dad!
They're gone. You can do it, Ricky.
Me?
You are a...
Rescue bike. Of course I am. I have to help if I can. Ricky to the rescue! Grappling hook. Go!
Oh!
Hang on. I'll get you out of there.
Don't film me, film Ricky.
Okay, I'm getting it. Thanks, Toot. Oh, this is good stuff. He really is pretty awesome.
There we go. Again. Thanks, Ricky.
Hey, Toot. Want to finish the movie with me? You know what to say. Or teach your dad how to speak drone. Come on, we have to catch up.
friends.
But we need to get across.
We can't right now. We have got this very big pipe, you see.
But I have to get across. I just have to. I made a mistake and I have to fix it.
We can't get it out of the way. But what if the pipe is the way?
Thanks, Mumblers. Here we go. Dad's light! Ricky to the rescue! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Got it! Fantastic! All aboard the bike train! One-way express to the bike lane. Zoom Cam, go! Zoom Cam will show us the quickest way back to Maxwell's. There it is! Let's go! We've made it! Woohoo! Yeah! Now time to get this wax off! Blip! Help! Ricky to the rescue! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
I don't want to go in the water. It's wet.
Grappling hook, go!
Hey?
Let's get everybody slippery. Scootio! Wax remover? 2 drops, no more.
No ding. Good. I'm done with dings. I'm just going to be careful to stay clean all on my own.
Oh, great job, kids.
Oh, I spilled the push pins. That's the one thing I was supposed to not do.
I got it! Watch out!
Maxwell, we have a 4-3-2. It's a giant disaster.
We just finally started playing. We told Maxwell we'd help him for the day, so that's what we should do, right? Yeah! Let's do this! We can help! Officer Bunker, this is Ricky Zoom. Maxwell is, busy, but we can help.
Ricky, there's been a big pushpin spill. A whole lot of bikes have flat tires. We need to tow them to the garage and fix their tires.
We're on it, Officer Bunker. Okay, buddies, it's going to be a lot of work. but Maxwell and the whole town needs us. Rev and roll! Let's do this!
Oh, found the tyre patches!
Boom! Perfect! I'll start towing the bikes.
Come on, Scootbox, this way! Come on! To the left, to the left! Up, just a little bit! Oh, no, down! Good job, Scootbox!
I'm speeding up again!
Where are we? I still can't see.
Ah, just as relaxing as I remember.
Oh, look! It's Maxwell! I know! New plan! Scootio, Skatebox, go! This is our last chance! Scootbox, flip him upside down!
What?
Ricky to the rescue! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Grappling hook, go!
Hooray!
We stopped! I mean, I totally couldn't see what happened, but you did it!
Oh, hello, Blip. Come to watch the sun.
Maxwell, we might have some things that need fixing.
How's that? Better?
Oh, much better. Thanks, Maxwell.
Now then, what about this traffic light?
Oh, yeah.